Hi, today we're going to be discussing pending labels. I'll be walking you through on how to use pending labels features inside the back office. This section helps you manage items that still require label printing, whether you're printing individual labels or full label sheets. To get started, go to the Smart Search at the top, type in pending labels and open it from the search results. Once open, you'll see a complete list of items that are currently waiting for labels to be printed. The pending labels page shows all items that still require label printing. This is especially useful if you forgot to print labels earlier, you added or uploaded products recently, or you need to reprint labels for certain items. Each row displays important item details such as barcode, item name, price, and case size. You can either work with single items or multiple items together. You can select labels individually using the checkbox besides each item, or if needed, you could use the top checkbox to select all pending labels at once. If labels have already been printed and are no longer needed, you can simply remove them by clicking on the delete option. This helps keep your pending labels section organized and clean. If you are using label sheets, select your items and click on Print Label Sheet. This will open a preview window showing selected items, barcode information, pricing, and label placement preview. From here, you can choose different label sheet templates, adjust label copies, set offset labels, preview the final sheet before printing. The system supports multiple label layouts and sizes depending on your label sheets your business uses. You can also create and customize your own sheet label templates directly from the back office. We'll cover custom label sheet creation in a separate video. If you need to print a single label instead of an entire sheet, click on the label print icon besides the item. The system will open the printer selection window. From here, choose your printer type such as DPOS printer, Bluetooth printer, or other supported label printers. Next, select the label type, set the print quantity, preview the label, and click Print. The label will then print directly from the selected printer. You can also enable direct print using the toggle option near the barcode field. Once direct print is enabled, when you scan a barcode or filter a selected item, the system will automatically open the print label window immediately. From there, you can simply select the printer, choose the label type, set the quantity, and click Print. This makes label printing process much faster for high volume environments. You can quickly locate items using the barcode search field at the top. The filter option allows you to search by item name, departments, subdepartments, vendors, mix and match, IDs, status, price, date created, and more. And this helps you narrow down exactly which label needs to be printed. If needed, you can also export pending label data using the export options. You can export them in CSV, Excel, or PDF, or even email it directly if needed. And that's how you use pending labels feature to manage, organize, and print labels efficiently within the back office. And that's all for the printing labels module. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications so you could stay posted with our upcoming module tutorials. And that's all for the pending labels module. I'll see you guys in the next video.